Question 26. For the standardization of a barium hydroxide solution, 0.2 gram of potassium acid phthalate, weight of 1 mole is equal to 204.2 gram, was weight which was then titrated with barium hydroxide solution. The titration indicated equivalence at 27.80 milliliter of barium hydroxide solution. What is the molarity of the base? This is the equation for the reaction. Now, as can be seen from the balanced equation, 2 moles of potassium acid phthalate reacts with 1 mole of barium hydroxide solution, or the ratio of moles of potassium acid phthalate to moles of barium hydroxide solution is 2:1, or we can also write 2/1 is equal to moles of KHC8H4O4 divided by moles of barium hydroxide solution. Now, moles of potassium acid phthalate is equal to weight of potassium acid phthalate, which is given as 0.2 gram, divided by molecular weight of potassium acid phthalate, which is 204.2 gram. Moles of barium hydroxide is equal to molarity of barium hydroxide solution, let it be M, into volume of barium hydroxide solution in liters, which is equal to 27.80 divided by 1000 liters. Solving this equation, the value for molarity of barium hydroxide solution is equal to 0.0176 m.